Should we call it a house bitter?
We haven't been together for a while.
I'll be waiting for
We're going to do a
you.
bitter today. I think we're going to do a sort of like a house bitter. Should we call it?
Got to get back into it. Got a nice slow and easy, slow and steady wins the race.
The last brew we did was in October. We're looking for something special and something different.
Extremely special it was.
And it was different as well. So different, we poured 80 pints of it away.
In the bin.
We cried over Christmas. We're not sure what went wrong, but we focused on sterilisation and fermentation today.
Two things, right then, Dan. Let's get the mash on. It's pretty late. It's Sunday night. Oh, we got added a complication, Dan, haven't we?
Yes, I've injured my back.
Dan's been DIY and he's injured his back.
Sit in the pub, it's much safer.
So today I'm going to be heavy lifting. Dan's going to be
watching.
Here we go.
We can't stop now.
So how much we got, Dan?
We've got about 9 kilograms.
9,100 grams.
And we're making how many pints?
50 litres, so that's 100 pints, isn't it?
100 pints. We've got 100 pints.
Oh, I've missed the smell, though, mate.
Oh.
Missed the smell. Smell.
And that's not the Vindaloo.
If anyone could think of any decent brews they've done lately, you want to tell us about them?
Yeah, what ones should we try next?
Yeah. We'll be back in the Clarkston next time, probably on Friday. Is it loosey goosey or is it?
We might need a bit pumpy.
Rumpy pumpy. So that was 9,100 of Maris from our friends at Get a Brewed, and they wished us happy brewing.
They send us an email every week, guys.
Yeah.
They must like this.
Ooh, don't tell Dan. I've got him some cake for later. So as well as that 9,100, 500 grams of Caristol.
Good job we're not bored, you'd have a good old reflection there.
Give it a few years, Dan, we'll both be there.
Grey and bold.
Ex-gingers. So when you've got the mesh on top of this kettle, you can do a little funky thing with your recirculation, but you need to, if I can show you, take off the bung. Yeah, and that stops any grain going down it first. But then to keep water in the bottom of the kettle for the pump, yeah, you take this little bung that's hanging out. What I'm looking for here is the water to go above the mesh, top mesh,
And be dispersed.
and be dispersed through the mesh all over the grains to give us a good even. Oh, we haven't done a gravity reading.
Oh, wow.
Oh my word, Dan, we don't even know where the kit is. Everyone get one of these.
What do we need to be, Phil? So we need to be in the 70s then.
I mean, we may be out of practice, but Dan still knows his stuff.
75-ish?
Yeah, 176, I'd say.
Yeah.
176.
We're going to mash out, yeah.
We've had a few newbies subscribe to us.
What does mashing out mean then, Phil?
Mashing out is, Dan?
Is when you increase the temperature from 65 up to 75, and you do it for about 10 minutes.
Back on the Clarkston next Friday. So when it reaches 75, it'll time for 10 minutes.
And we'll have a beer. Well, we've got a lucky dip as well, I'm not sure what this is.
I love making beer. I've brought some cake for you.
You can't beat that.
Oh, can't be on the cake. Pause the video, guess the cake.
I think it goes quite well with the porter.
It's carrot cake. Very moist.
Fresh.
Fresh and moist.
Just well like it.
And we've got razor grains.
I'm not sure this rope is quite thick.
Meaty. Raising of the grains. Who's got a similar kettle to this?
Who's that?
Graham.
Graham
Lalo.
Barlow.
Graham Barlow.
Graham Barlow. Gary Barlow. Oh. I got it.
That reminds me, I've got to put it through the hole.
Tell me when.
Oh, not free yet, Dan. Right, hold it there.
Yep.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Woo! In day 3. One more left to go. Should we go one more, Brewers? One more? Just one more, Del. One more turn. That's it, down. Easy, mate. That worked well.
Okay.
We needed a thing, Dad. Back on with Sparge.
Wax on, wax off.
Sparging's done. Gravity pre-boil this is. We're just getting up to boil.
We're doing fine, son. We're doing fine.
Oh, right, quite high, Dan. 10:49. So do we need to add more liquid?
We need more yeast if we do. The 5.3% bit there.
Yeah. Red James.
So what are we doing now?
Hop time.
My one-armed spider.
Famous on the internet, that is. We have a full battery, Dan. Dan's put his floater in.
We have a floater spider.
66 grams of
Northern Brewer.
Northern Brewer. You normally have the hops.
Good. You're in. I hit the hole, Phil.
Hit the hole.
Hole in one.
Dan is just sterilising fermenters in there. I've got the task of setting up the cooling plate chiller. It's me. Hello. I'm the problem, it's me. Hello. Last bag of hops, Dan.
Let's get them in there, son. You create a whirlpool.
Right.
We're set for 19 degrees. Ow.
Oh, Dan's back's gone again.
Another bleep.
His back's gone. Right then, Brew Monsters, we are set up.
Cool down. What temperature are you going to get down to, Phil, for the yeast?
We want to pitch between 16 and 23.
23.
23. Dan's going to put the cold water on. Dan wanted to show you this.
Cold water coming on.
I can hear it feeding through and... Whoa, stop.
Oops.
It's alright, go again.
Go.
So, that's what a plate chiller looks like, peeps.
How many plates is that one, Phil? Is it
36, that one, yeah. So, where it comes out there, pumped out of there, over the top there, around this pipe here, through the wort chiller, and then through all the plates, and then up that one and back in, and then this side, cold water comes into this one.
Hot water comes out that one.
And you can really feel the difference. Oh, and yeah, Dan set up a little thing out. There's Dan holding his pipe.
Why is it short, Phil?
It's short because Dan took me on a little trip to B&Q and took my advice.
We need more pipe, Phil.
Let's save £3.
All I can say is I'm glad it's not raining. You can pass me my pint, Phil. I'll have a mouthful.
There you
It's,
go.
it's looking at me and saying, drinky, drinky.
So this one is a Tiny Rebel Cwtch. Cwtch means hug or love, like a snuggle in Welsh.
So we're having a cutch.
So we're having a cwtch. Let's open it on there. So this was a kit beer.
Oh, it's nice now.
And if you want to see this one, I need to see 5 comments saying they want to see the Cwtch beer being made. If we don't get 5, I'm not going to do it.
So, as a Christmas present, everyone, I did a release on the app, and there's a new feature, is if you go to the ingredients or recipes, there's some recipes and videos that we've been doing. So there's a mix of, you can make your own recipes up and store them there, or you can actually, you can see some Phil and myself brewing recipes on there as well.
Yeah, so Dan's improving it all the time, this app.
Link, somewhere there or there.
Is it Android and thingy now?
It's Android and iOS, yeah. We do it for
Oh,
everyone.
it's iOS.
We've used it 4 times today.
Hop alternatives,
Hop alternatives,
mash volume,
mash volume,
ABV calculator.
ABV, volume and gravity.
How much water do I need to add to hit my original gravity and final gravity? It's really good. There's loads of stuff on there.
We should be using it now to rate our beer, Phil. Well, guys, if you're drinking some beer now, download the app and rate your beer.
Download the app. It's great. Got loads of stuff on there. Next time you see us, we'll be pitching, won't we?
Golf club, wedge.
Yeah. We are decanting 2 fermenters. Give them a good bit of height.
Yeah. Why are you doing height, Phil?
Oxygen. Let's
Just
get
do-
some
just a
oxygen
bit
in this
off
fella. It's the moment of truth, peeps.
What are we looking at, Phil?
Oh, we 1046 or something.
1050.
1050? We brewed a
1050.
monster!
There you go, Phil. Smack you there. Mash efficiency. Eat my heart out.
Mass efficiency. I've got to say, peeps, simple one, this one, but it smells amazing. What you people thinking going all grain, go and do it.
Yeah, and bitter is one of our favourite beers as well, isn't
Yeah.
it? So it's something we keep on coming back to.
We went in a pub called the Heathcock. Anyone watching this from the Heathcock, they probably won't be, but anyway, if they do, 6 IPAs on, 1 bitter, and the bitter was off. Not on, Dan, was it really?
Well, I drank it. Oh, another little thing we should tell the guys. You know, when you go online to buy this sodium bicarbonate, it can be quite expensive for this cleaner. We just found a hack. We just went to our local
Zero waste shop.
zero waste shop, and they sell it and it's dirt cheap.
How much was that, Dan?
I don't know, about $3.50.
You have to take your own bottles and stuff. But the one armband, the one armband is doing well. He's hanging on.
The hop hanger. The cling on.
Let's go. So, the Silver Clarkston newbie is getting the
SafAle 04. Oh, the plastic one.
plastic fermenter, the old favourite. Is going to have the AEB, is it?
Yep. Can I do pictures from that? You are all at the top, right in the middle. There we go, look at that. Oh.
Pop him open.
Okay, we're sharing? We'll have 2.
Oh, this looks beautiful, mate.
When I put in the fermenter and I had a little sneaky taste before we carbonated it, it did actually taste nice. So I've had a sneak preview on this one. Perfect poured pint and fill. You must have had some practice there. The beer tools. And I'm going to have a look at select the beer colour based on the thing. A brown. Which I think is probably right for a bit.
For a bitter. That's on the app as well, viewers.
Yeah, I think it's on style. So this is the app. It's available to download in the Apple App Store and in the Play Store. So just search for Ginger Brewers. I'm going on to the beer scorer.
Go on.
So appearance, probably that. Aroma. I'm going to go that. Now we're moving into the important part. I'm going for review the flavours, tastes.
Yep. Are you going for it?
Ooh, that carbonation is nice.
Right, I'm with you now. Oh, that's lovely.
Yeah, I got my rating.
If you've got this far in the video, buy some grains and brew this one, because this is lovely.
A special house bit there.
More than drinkable, absolutely lovely, gorgeous. Oh, any ideas for keeping all of your head?
Are we good to compare swap scores?
What you got? 80. Oh, I got 74. Where have you beaten me then? I'm putting my appearance up, people. Damn, I got 80 as well.
80? Oh, how did you get 80, Phil? That's a coincidence. Cheers, guys.
Cheers. I don't want to slag anyone else off, because everyone's trying hard, aren't they?
Yeah. They should have fucking tried harder.